Our objective for today, I can solve and graph multi-step one-variable equations. Read together, 1, 2, 3. I can solve and graph multi-step one-variable equations. So, once again, like I said, we took a little break from equations because we went into scientific notation and exponents, right? But we're coming back to it, and I want us to get really good at multi-step because we're about to go into two-variable equations, and then from there get into systems of equations. So, we already know what one-variable equations are, so we don't need a Freire model. We also know the steps, is that correct? Simplify, isolate, plot, and check. Remember that? So, copy this down, please. Example, don't copy these, but these are the properties that we've been covering so far. Copy this example. Example 1. 8x minus 21 minus 5x equals negative 15. We're going to do this one together, and some of these you already know how to do, but I'm going to go over these again with you so we can start warming our noodle down, and then from there get to the funner parts. It's my word. So, here we go. Line down the equal sign. And the first step is to simplify. Can we simplify this left side? Yes. 8x minus 5x, that leaves us with 3x. Bring down the minus 21 equals negative 15. I'm done simplifying, so I'm going to isolate, which means getting all the variable by itself. So I need to get rid of this negative 21. What do? Plus 21 plus 21. 3x equals 6. And my last step, divide by 3, x equals 2. For the sake of time, we're not going to do the plot and the check for right now. We're going to focus on these two steps, all right? Any questions with these? Okay, let's do another one. Example 2. Copy that. See if you can do this one by yourself. If it's solve, 4 equals 2x plus 5 minus 6. Copy that and solve. Okay, here it goes. Line down the equal sign. Step 1 is to simplify. Can I simplify this side? Yes, 2x minus 4x, that's negative 4x. Minus 6x. Bring down the plus 5 equals 4. From there, minus 5 minus 5, we're left with negative 1 equals negative 4x. And our last step, divide by negative 4. 1/4 equals x, or 0.25 equals x. Hands if you got that. Okay. Let's do another one. Example 3, copy this. 5 parentheses p minus 2 close parentheses equals negative 15. Okay, let's do this one together. Here we go. Line down the equal sign. What is our first step? Simplify, which means I need to distribute here, yes? This becomes 5p, what else? Negative 10 equals negative 15. Do you know what to do from there? Okay, finish it off, please. Copy and go. Nice. Okay, here we go. Since we already simplified, next step is to isolate. Add 10, 5p equals negative 5. Divide by 5, p equals negative 1. Hands if you got that. Okay? Let's go to the next one, number 4. Copy this one. We got 10y minus parentheses 4y plus 8 close parentheses equals negative 20. Line down the equal sign. First step is to simplify. So now, check this out. Can I simplify this side? Yes. Careful with this one. Look up. Some of you forgot to do this last time. Invisible 1, so therefore you distribute that in here. Negative 4y minus 8. Bring down the 10y equals negative 20. Do you know what to do from there? Let's see if you can finish this off by yourself. Copy that and go. Okay, help me out. Aaron, what's next? Okay, so what do I do? So what do we have left? Minus 8 equals negative 20. Add 8 to each side. 6y equals negative 12. In our last step, y equals. Hands if you got that. Okay. All right. Number 5. Copy this. It says, number 5, solve the equation 2x plus 1 over 3 equals 7. So now the first thing is to do is simplify. However, we can't simplify. However, look up, please. If I was to cover this, do you know how to solve this equation without that number? Yeah, which means we need to get rid of that number. So what is a 3 doing? What is it doing right now? Dividing. So what is the inverse? Multiply times 3. Multiply times 3. This becomes 2x plus 1 equals 21. Yes? So from there, what do you do? Subtract 1, subtract 1. We've been solving. 2x equals 20. Divide by 2. X equals 10. Yes? Fairly simple, right? Just that first step. All right, do this next one by yourself. You should be able to do the whole thing. Example 6. 7 equals 3x minus 4 over 2. Copy that and solve. Go. Okay, who got 6? 6 equals x. Okay, let's see. Times 2 times 2. 14 equals 3x minus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 18 equals 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3. And that's how we get 6 equals to x. Okay? So we're done with the simple stuff, right? Let's move on. Copy this. Yes, it was. 7n minus 2 equals 5n plus 6. Line down the equal sign. Step 1 is to simplify. Can I simplify the left side? How about the right side? Step 2, isolate. Get all the variables to one side and leave them by themselves. Which is my smallest variable? 5, so I subtract 5n, subtract 5n. 5n minus 5n cancel. We're left with 2n minus 2 equals 6. What do I do from there? Add 2, add 2. 2n equals 8. Divide by 2. N equals 4. How are we doing? Okay, let's continue. Number 8. Do that one by yourself. 5b plus 2 equals 3b plus 8. Copy and solve. Go. All right. Help me with this one, please. Anissa? What is it? No, what do I do? Subtract 3b from each side. Continue. Continue. And you got b equals 3. That is correct. Let's continue. Number 9. Copy this one. 2 parentheses 3a minus 1 close parentheses equals 3a plus 7. Anissa, pick someone to help me out. Who? Oh, Manny. What do I do here? Okay, and we get pass to someone. Brian, next. Subtract 3a from both sides, and you get pass someone. Luis. And you get finish it off. Hands, have you got that? Okay. All right. Let's move on. Copy this one. 3 parentheses 2x minus 4 equals 4x plus 4. See if you can do that one by yourself. Copy and go. All right, here we go. Focus, please. Help me out with this one, please. Ricardo, what do I do? And you get equals 4x plus 4. Thank you. Reniel, what do I do from there? What's that? Minus 4x. Thank you. Continue. Go ahead. Okay. Thank you. Joseph? X equals? Hands, have you got x equals 8? Okay. All right, so we're done with the easy ones. Let's move on. Copy this one. Example 11. Let me zoom in. We got 1/2 times parentheses b plus 6 equals 3/2 b minus 1. Copy that. We're going to do this one together. All right. Line down the equal sign. We need to simplify. So what do we do on this side? Distribute, right? So 1 half times b. Remember that these we write over 1. Remember that? So what is 1 times b? 1b. What is 2 times 1? 2. Plus 2 times 1. So this is 6 over 2 equals 3 over 2 b minus 1. All right, and here we have fractions all over the place, yes? So we don't want fractions. What is our common denominator? 2. So we multiply everything times 2. So 2 times b, that is 2b, and the denominator stays the same. Plus 12 over 2 equals 6 over 2b minus 2. How we doing? Okay, at that point, we're going to simplify. Let's simplify this. What is 2 divided by 2? 1b plus equals minus 2. And you know what to do from there, right? Okay, copy that and finish it off. Go. Okay, let's see. Jose, what do I do from there? Subtract 1b to each side. That is correct. Pass it to someone. Who? Reniel, what do I do? Add 2 to each side. So, and you get 4 equals b. Hands if you got that. Okay. Okay. So far so good, right? Okay, let's kick it up a notch. Yes? Copy this one. 3x plus 15 minus 9 equals 2 parentheses x plus 2. Those parentheses. I'll give you a head start to see what you can do there. Start simplifying each side and then go. Copy that and solve. Okay, here we go. Maddie, what do I do? No, I'm saying help me with the process. Distribute. Okay, and we get what? How about this side? Which is? Next. And leaves us. Then. Hands if you got x equals -2. That is correct. So, our home plate for tonight is on page, what is it? 5 what? 574. Only do numbers 1 through all. That was good, right? Yeah, it was. Enjoy your homework. There's tutoring today. If I don't see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I mean, home plate.